When my days end, I might just fall in love. I'm of the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feels so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight again.
Hi folks, welcome to another video. Well, in today's video we are going to be cooking a beef madras in the Dutch oven. We've been here on the campsite now for a couple of nights, and last night I done a lasagna in the oven, and I'll tell you what, it was probably the most tastiest lasagna I've ever cooked, and that's coming from an old chef. But yeah, so the campsite itself is a beautiful old campsite. It's my go-to campsite. It is a camping and caravanning club site, a CL site, but it's quite local to me, and it is my go-to campsite. Now, if you're a regular viewer to my channel, you'll probably tell I'm in a new caravan. Yep, unfortunately my old 1995 Europa caravan, I did a part exit for this caravan. This caravan is a Sprite Fairway, a 445 model I think, and it is a 2-berth, but it's a great little van. Also, unfortunately, I've also had to get rid of my Volvo 940. Had it a good 4 years. It done me proud, never caused me a problem. I've now also had to sell that, and I have now got a Ford S-Max, a 14 plate. It's a great little car, but it's caused me a bit of aggro. I've spent some money on that in the last 4 or 5 months that I've had it. I'll give you a little show about that in a sec. But anyway, yeah, so follow me along for this one, for cooking some beef madras. I nearly said chicken then, but beef. A beef madras in the Dutch oven. I'm waiting, it's just started raining, so we're going to be doing it on a campfire tonight. Yeah, and I think food cooked in the Dutch oven is great. There's something about it. It's got a really nice taste for it being cooked in cast iron. Anyway, if you want to see this video, guys, then stick around and yeah, enjoy me for this beef madras cooked in the Dutch oven. Right, see you in a bit, guys. Ta-da! Right, first thing first, guys, we need to get a fire going. Plenty of air circulation. Little tower kindling. Just to light the fire, I'm going to use some of these. Not sure what they are. A bit of wood, a bit of wax. Great for lighting fires. Let that do its thing. Get the fire nice and blazing, get it nice and hot. And then we'll get the Dutch oven warming up. When you deal with these bad boys, because that's going to make you yelp when you go for a piss. If you touch your bits after handling these bad boys, and these are quite mild. Yeah, the seeds are a lot stronger. I think one chilli will do. It's going to be quite hot already.
Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn, fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
So yeah, me and Jen, we're just having a little bit of a mooch about around the old airfield, see what's left. And this is probably the best untouched airfield here in Northamptonshire. But because it's on private land, and obviously the farmer's now repurposed it, and he has done probably since the end of World War II, there's no graffiti, and some of the original features, like the lights, oh, it's great. It's one of the best examples I have ever seen, and I have seen some old airfields over the years. So anyway, me and Jen are going to carry on, see what else we can find. Happy days. What do you reckon, Jen? Do you liking it? You liking your first urban exploration?
Yes, I think it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Well, I've seen a bit, guys. Ta-da. Yeah, that's been here for years. Old bulldozer. I mean, look at that. That's. Yeah, that is something else. Guarantee you that's from the war, because you can still see the green paint coming through. Obviously, it's been painted orange at some point. But yeah, that's not touching a good 30, 40 years. Same again, I bet you've put diesel in that, I bet that would fire up, because the engine looks well fucking oiled, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like the stainless steel.
It
looks brand new, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But that's just crying 1930s. But believe it or not, guys, I've been looking for this place for years, and I had a rough idea where it is, but yeah, this is the R.O.C post. I haven't got a torch with me, so I don't think we're going to see a lot, but let's go have a look. Actually, it's really in good nick. I'm surprised at the... It is in really good condition. Alright, Jennifer, it's safe to come down. Get a little bed sit, wouldn't it? That's something to do with it. Sometimes you find stuff like the war department on there or some shit. And then obviously people have probably been using this for having parties and stuff. I mean, I'm not sure what this is. Like part of an old tent or something. That's like the old door of would have been here. Where all the equipment used to be. Cool, eh?
It is. Alexander.
Look at this old thing. 1970s, 1980s telephone, because it would have been connected to the. And that's it would have been, the whole thing would have been painted in this colour. Like the door, like the military green.
Really?
Yeah. It's cool. This is fucking surprisingly really good, isn't it? Because it was blocked up for years.
Really? Why?
Because I know, because there's a thing on, and it goes on about the condition of all the R.O.C posts, and part of it says, yeah, it's been blocked up, big bit of the concrete was put on the top.
Mm.
So, yeah, really good nick. So that's probably why it is in good nick.
When was it removed then? To stop people.
I ain't got a Scooby-Doo. Pretty cool, isn't it?
It is very cool.
Well, I think that's not wrong. I mean, somebody's been down there camping over the years. I mean, but these original batteries, isn't it? Don't know. Oh dear. We don't get what locked in there, do we? Oh, bloody hell. That is cool as fuck, that is. Oh, made new friends.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, sheep.
Come on, what's this?
Yeah, some grass. He's like, sod off, I eat grass all fucking day.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, so that was a little bit of an urban exploration. That was Jennifer's first urban exploration. You like that, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. So we're going to head back to the Caravan now. I'm going to have a well-deserved beer. Are you going to have a cup of tea, Jen?
I think I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going to have a cup of tea. Yeah, so it's my last night tonight. And then just going to chill. A couple of beers. And then get packed up tomorrow. And go, but it's a nice bit, a few days away, isn't it?
Lovely.
Yeah, so happy days then. Right, see you in a bit, guys. Ta-da. Anyway folks, I'll give you a little tour of the Caravan. So yeah, the Caravan is a Swift Fairway, and I think it's a 442 model. 2 berth, so this makes it excellent double-sized bed. You'd have to excuse my camera gear down here. But yeah, it's lovely. You got the two 240 side sockets. You've also got the 12-volt socket there for a telly. But yeah, you've got some nice little spotlights. Yeah. And just by the look of this, the style of the Caravan, and it's like a lot of modern Caravans are very similar. So the Caravan itself is 12 years old. But as I say, so it's 2 berths. So instead of having a back bed, which I had in my old Caravan, we've got this great bathroom area. It is, I do need to clean the mirrors, you have to excuse that, but the size of that shower, and it is absolutely, it is lovely, very powerful shower. It is in travel position at the minute because I'm just wrapping up, getting ready to go. Normally all sit up there. Yeah, great size sink. Yeah, great for having a shave and whatever you're in. Yeah, the toilet. Oh, I'll get rid of this mat. Just like to keep the mat down. Just to protect the carpet a little bit because it has got the Swift Caravan carpets which are all made to measure. Yeah, so nice little toilet. You can swivel the toilet round, but obviously that's a nice position for doing your business. Yep, nice little for you hanging your towels. These Swift hooks for hanging clothes on are absolutely bloody useless. I think I want to change them. But yeah, nice panoramic window as well. Yep, now and over, I've been seeing a lot on the Swift Facebook groups like these can be a bit troublesome with cracking. So I very rarely, unless I'm having a shower, do I bring that down. But it's nice laying in bed and just looking out at the sky. Yeah, so this is a Caravan, guys, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, brilliant. I think it's a lot better than my old one. I did trade in my old one, but because that needed so much work doing to it, obviously it had a lot of damp, still had water ingress, so it was getting worse and worse and worse. But it weren't just the money on getting that one fixed, it was also the time, because I'm a bus driver, and I do like quite long hour days. It's just, by the time you get a day off, the last thing I want to be doing is ripping Caravans apart. So I thought, sod it, I'm just going to bite the bullet, trade it in and get a new one. And yeah, I love it, been out in it a few times. So yeah, happy days. So anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. I am just slowly wrapping away. Yeah, I just got the outside to do now and put a couple of the trinkets away, like the light and mine and Jen's photo. I don't know if you can see that over there because my screen's gone off on me. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to leave this video here. We are taking the Caravan out again next week. We're going on back to Norfolk, and a beautiful little campsite we're going to, because it's my 50th next week. So yeah, we're going to go away for a good week. To my favourite place, of course, is Norfolk in the UK. So anyway guys, yeah, so if you want to follow us along for that one, follow us along for that adventure, then have a subscribe and hit the notification bell, and join us for the ride next week. So, and yeah, brilliant. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave that there, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, see you later. Ta-da.